Here is a review of the QUELIEN Ice Trays. This amazing kit brings convenience home. First, it makes 64 ice cubes quickly. Therefore, you always have enough ice. The trays also release ice easily. Just press them and watch. Furthermore, the design is very clever. It includes a lid for protection. This is the QUELIEN Ice Kit. Trays, bin, scoop, 64 cubes. Indeed, it keeps your ice fresh. Similarly, it prevents odors from the freezer, so your drinks taste pure. Moreover, the ice bucket is very useful. It holds many cubes, hence its large capacity. You also get a handy scoop. This makes serving ice simple. This QUELIEN Ice Kit, trays, bin, scoop, 64 cubes is great. It chills your favorite drinks. Think of cool cocktails or smooth whiskey. It works for iced coffee too. Consequently, no more diluting your beverages. This kit is like a cold factory. It keeps your sips refreshing always. Furthermore, everything stores neatly. Ultimately, this ice kit is a must-have. You get 2 trays and a bin. The scoop completes the set. Furthermore, the black color looks sleek. Releasing ice feels effortless now. It is truly an easy press system. This QUELIEN Ice Kit, trays, bin, scoop, 64 cubes delivers. Therefore, your freezer organization improves. It is indeed a smart home addition. This kit helps keep things chill. You will love making ice. Pros: ice comes out with one push, pretty tough and can take abuse, perfect size for single person. Easy to use and quality is good, stores ice nicely, never run out of ice, amazing concept that works well. Ice cubes pop out with ease, fits perfectly in the freezer, makes inch-sized ice. Cubes fast, cubes freeze really fast. Cons: doesn't release without running water. Learning curve to use. Instructions are comical. Takes days to freeze initially. Wish it held more ice. Plastic container cracks easily. Features: includes lid and bin. Makes 64 ice cubes. Easy press release. Comes with storage bin. Suitable for cocktails. Great for whiskey. Perfect for coffee. 2 ice trays included. 1 ice bucket, includes an ice scoop. The QUELIEN Ice Tray set in black helps you make and store ice easily. It includes 2 ice cube trays that each make 32 ice cubes, for a total of 64. You simply press the trays to release the ice. The set also comes with a lid, an ice storage bin, and a scoop, making it perfect for chilling drinks like cocktails, whiskey, or coffee. The QUELIEN Ice Tray set is a convenient way to make and store ice. It includes 2 trays that produce 64-inch-sized ice cubes quickly, an ice bin, and a scoop. Users can easily release ice with a single press, and the system helps ensure you always have ice on hand. The set is compact, fitting well in most freezers. While the initial freezing can take some time and there's a slight learning curve, many find the overall concept and quality to be good. However, some users have noted that the plastic bin can crack easily and that ice may not release without running water over the tray.